Hi guys, so good afternoon. It's now 5:26. Ayun. So, I will go for a walk kasi nga ay nanonood ako sa men's volleyball. Pero ako lang doon mag-isa. So, medyo awkward kasi lahat sila lalaki and they are doing volleyball or playing volleyball, I mean. So, we're here already in Litumiris. Ito yung first na pinuntahan namin because he wants to play volleyball with his friends. And I will show you a little bit here, guys. Ito yung first time ko din na mapunta dito. And I'll show you some other buildings here. And then, ipapakita ko din siya sa inyo ng konti. Alright, so this way, ayun, so doon yung car nakapark. Tapos, etong mataas na buildings na nakikita nyo, ayan, parang may history yan. Nabasa ko lang din doon sa taas kanina bago kami tawag dito, bumaba dito. And, that's something like history. I don't know. I have to find out that, and then if I knew and if I learn about it, then I will tell you the next time that I'm gonna make my vlog. So anyways, while they are playing volleyball, kasi all men naman yun, so it's a bit awkward din na ako lang din doon yung mag-isa and then nanonood sa kanila. So, yung mga European men, kasi are more on sila, meron sila talaga na para sa kanila lang, yung para lang sa mga men to men, tawag dito na play. Okay, something na ganon. So, eto guys, dito, ayan yung medyo key, parang key yung nito, yung design nito, ayan. So, ito yung field nila. Papakita ko na lang din sa inyo. Ito yung whole field. Ganda, diba? It's green. Ayan. Ganda, no? So, sobrang ganda niya dito tingnan. Kasi nga, alinis. Everywhere you can see garbage, trashed, for the trash. Tapos, naka-ano pa siya, naka-recycle. So, basta, naka-recycle and sobrang dito yung sobrang tawag dito. Yung mga tao is na-train sila as in maganda. And, ayan, so, where are we gonna go? First, we're gonna go here on the side. Yan, para sa mga bata na swimming pool. Ito maybe yung parang kasi parang may cross sign for in case of emergency. Alam niyo yun, may malunod or something, first aid kit area or first aid. Yan, ito. Ayan, sobrang green. Ang ganda, diba? And I think, yeah, meron din sila niyan. Hindi ko alam kung, basta hindi naman ako magsiswimming ngayon kasi nga, our period is still there. Pero next time naman na. So, we're gonna go for a walk now and then, that's it. I-explore ko lang kayo dito kung, it's either maganda ba or hindi. So, kayo na yung mag-decide. Ayan yung building guys para sa first aid kit nila. And ito yung example. Kasi from everywhere, meron sila na ganito. Kahit saan ka pumunta. Yan, dito sa kids na swimming pool. Ayan, so walang masyadong tao today. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Dahil mas maganda din yung weather ngayon. Unlike yesterday. Yesterday kasi guys is maulan. Doon sa other city. Doon kami sa other city. And today will be my first time dito sa Litumiris. First day, first night. So, it's currently 5:31 and dito doon sa Pilipinas ano na nito kung sa atin is palubog na yung araw, pero dito is mainit pa rin. So for your information, the sun, what's this called, wala pa akong na-witness na sunset or anything, pero lumulubog yung araw dito is nasa 9, more than 9 PM na sa Pilipinas. Parang ganun, sa time. Lumulubog yung araw, more than 9 PM na. Tapos, umaaraw dito is mga nasa 3 or 4, something like that. Basta guys, yung gabi dito is nasa 8 hours lang. Compare naman dyan sa Pilipinas, 12 hours and then 12 hours. So, but anyways, we're gonna go back to our exploring vlog or video. Ayan, so ito yung for kids. Walang tao guys ngayon. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But I'm just gonna do a little walk over here inside para makita ko rin siya sa inyo. And syempre, ang ganda ng weather. Ayan, medyo maano yung masakit or uncomfortable yung panlasa ko for today nga kasi nga nagbiyahe from Kumutov to Litomiris. Okay? So, ayan, meron kang nakikitang clock guys, ang ganda na to, oh. Diba? Ayan, most of towns dito is meron sila na ganyan, meron sila na cross na, you know, something na mataas, tapos basta mataas. Most of the buildings also here are tall, all of the buildings. And also when it comes din sa transportation, they only have cars here. Napaka bibihira ka lang makakita ng tawag dito ng motorcycle as in or motorbike. So ayan, diba, ganda. Ano to? And one thing pa pala, kasi kanina doon kami galing sa hospital, no? Ikwento ko na lang din. Since nagkakantungan na din naman na tayo. So doon kami galing kanina sa hospital. And alam nyo ba guys, if sa Pilipinas, yung hospital natin is for yung mga public hospital, something like that, so we're gonna go back. Yung hospital natin is nasa city here. Pumunta kami doon sa parang mountains. Ano nga yung place na yun? Nakalimutan ko tulad. Deep place? No? Basta something other town siya na napuntahan namin. Actually 3 towns na din yung napuntahan namin ngayon lang na araw. Ayan. So anyway, balik tayo. Ayan, meron sila dito na 2 swimming pool. No, I think swimming pool pa din doon sa kabila. So maybe it's 2 or 3 swimming pool dito. Hindi ako nakapag-swimming kasi nga yung purpose namin dito is mag-play sila ng men volleyball. Kasama yung mga friends niya. And ako, ayan, nanonood lang ako sa kanila for an hour. And syempre, medyo naboboard din yung ante. So, that's why, you just tell me if I want to go here around to go walk, then I can. Yan. So, anyway, meron kaming napuntahan na swimming pool. Hindi ko na guys ma-mention yung pangalan kasi nakalimutan ko. Super hard siya ma-remember. Especially, ibang din, Czech language siya and hindi din siya language natin. So, if it's in English, then it's okay for me. But if in this language, it's little bit, it's more hard, you know, to learn their language, even yung mga places. and all of that things. So, ayan, I think tatapusin ko na lang muna guys yung vlog ko because it's been 10 minutes na din. Babalik lang ako doon and then maybe uwi na din kami or we're just gonna go to some restaurants na pwedeng kumain or uminom ng kape. So, yeah. Okay, so that's the way going back. Ayan guys, so hindi naman gaano kadami yung tao ngayon. But anyways, mag-e-end na muna ako guys sa aking vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!